Hi everyone, we all know that data privacy is very important today. So I built this project called Bit-Kavach to keep our messages safe from hackers. So basically it works on a simple logic. It uses just one secret key to lock and unlock the data or the messages. So let's see how it works. Here we are choosing the first option for the encrypt the messages or the message. I am typing my message here. My name is Lakshmi Sanas and enter. Look at this. My text is converted into garbage text. It is fully locked now. Now to get my data back, I will paste it here. Like choosing the second option, and they are asking us encrypted text garbage. We are pasting here and boom, I got my original message back. My name is Lakshmi Sanas. So this project show why privacy is necessary, not an option. You can find the code on my GitHub. Thank you.